getting in the car here. Wanted to show you the oil pressure. I'm gonna give it the gas to show you how it's working nicely. Super beautiful high oil pressure. Alternators charging. Temperature, it's just started up, so it's just hasn't registered quite yet. A couple of degrees. I got a full tank. I always keep a full tank. Mileage 54,273 as of this video. You can see that the clock is working nicely. You can see the tachometer working beautifully. I just put the emergency brake on. You can see the emergency brake works. You can hear the Roadrunner beep beep horn working beautiful. The original dash is absolutely minty. That's an air freshener stick blowing around. It's so windy today. Got the hood open. Where's that radio?
Find this online.
The radio works beautiful.
Video of cops pulling people over for a traffic stop in the middle of the night, gunned down, brutally attacked.
The dash still looks like brand new everywhere. No scuffs, scrapes. The original upholstery is still in beautiful shape.
Regularly too.
Directionals are working. The odometer works. Everything works on this car. The side markers, the high and low beams, the directionals, the windshield wipers. Let me just see if I can figure out where the...
No context about those killings.
This is the windshield wipers. I'll just turn the switch on.
Where of those three people that
That's on a dry windshield.
Kill the police officer? And even fight with the police officer, shoot the police officer, stab the police. No, there's none of that.
Let me
you just need to know
find the emergency brake release cable and we'll see. I'll put it.
Kill 3 mostly black people a day.
Okay. Thank you very much for looking. I'll do the upholstery real quick here. Try to
response that I would give back to him is, please don't be indifferent to the pain of police officer families. And maybe he'd say he's not. Maybe he'd just say he didn't have enough time last night to include those police officer families in his speech. Maybe he does have a valid